Hello, today I'm in Mercedes GLK. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Thanks to this panel we can navigate through instrument cluster, we can manage settings, trip info, audio and many more. Right here we've got the panel thanks to which we can change radio volume, mute radio, answer and end the calls, and use voice assistant. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn, and right here behind the steering wheel we've got two paddles, thanks to which we can change gears in manual mode. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.